Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Uh, we have today a 2023 Dodge Charger Pursuit car. Casting is by Matchbox and it's new for 2025. Let's open it up and see how does it look. So here is the Charger out of its box. For those of who don't live in North America, these cars are used all over America and Canada for different departments, mostly like police and other like policing departments, along with Ford Explorer, I guess. Yeah, and earlier they used to have this Crown Vics, but I think these replaced them. And most of them are all-wheel drive, like at least what I have seen. So here's the Charger, and since we are on the side, let's start from here. It's finished in black. You've got the stickers, you've got the police, you've got the car number, or I think, and then there is the number for call 150 in emergency. I still don't understand why they did in red, like the glasses. They are not red on the actual car, but they might have done it just to have this top light part done in red. Might be. Again, these wheels, the actual cop cars also have steel hub wheels, so they kind of look close to that. Now, you also got the door handles. I don't know, like, if they're detailed or they just came in between this checkered pattern. Up front, you can see where the headlamp will be, but it's not detailed. Surprisingly, turn indicators are detailed. You got the scoop in the hood and this bull bar up front, which all the cops car get here. Yeah, all of them. There are windshield wipers too, finished in red. Now coming to the passenger side, looks almost identical. I don't see any major differences. Sorry, I dropped the car. I don't see any major differences. You do see the mirror here, which was also there on the side. If you look at the top, you can see the shark fin antenna. Though the cop cars have like different radio antennas mounted on them, which obviously Matchbox can't do. Coming to the back, you can see a small spoiler, but the back looks really bad. You can't even see where the tail lamp will be. It looks really bad. I can't say any good words about that. But you have got the twin exhaust at the bottom. I don't know if those are parking sensors or something else, but I see small dots there. I did miss the fuel filter cap on the driver's side. Now, from the outside, it looks like this, but there is some good details in the interior, which is masked by this red glass. I don't know if I can focus. If you see, there is the laptop or computer they work on, so police cars get that inside there, and I can't figure out the other details, especially because of the tint on this glass. But yeah, so you can see the interior is slightly different than the usual Charger you get. That's the point I wanted to show. So overall, it looks like a nice casting. No, I won't say nice, especially because of the missing tail lamp and headlamp. I would say it's a decent casting. You can probably detail the headlamps, but detailing the tail lamp's gonna be tough. So yeah, those are my thoughts. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.